Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing and giving you an overview of the rockspace AC2100 dual band gigabit Wi-Fi router. It has 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz wireless signals. This is model RSD0614 and it's ready for IP6 technology. We're going to go around the box and give you some details real quick. You can go ahead and pause the video anytime to read the details. But what we're going to mention to you is that they have Gigabit WAN and Gigabit LAN ports, so that's important if you're using a higher speed cable, DSL, or fiber connection. And then you have one USB port, which is USB 2.0. And then we'll get into inside the router, how to set it up. It's compatible with Android, Windows, Mac operating systems. I can do between 25 and 35 client connections in the home or small business. So that's quite a few connections. So they give you a nice little setup manual here. We're going to go through each page pretty quickly. Again, you can pause this anytime to take a look at the manual, but it's just a few steps. We like that the instructions are in English. That's helpful. If you've set up a router before, they're all pretty much the same setup wise. You tell it what the WAN or wide area network information is, then you tell it what LAN information you want to give all of your clients in the home or small business, and then it starts serving internet from your modem, cable modem, fiber modem, or DSL modem. You can even hook it to a wireless connection that does cellular. So there you go, there's the FAQ at the end, and that's the setup. So it's pretty quick, and that's pretty much the entire quick setup guide. They give you a power adapter right here. This is for the wall, so it's pretty simple. And then here's the router itself. So we'll show you all that in just a moment. And then further inside the box, you also get an Ethernet cable, a flat one. So we like that. It's a nice little accessory in there. Here are the antennas. You get 4 antennas. This has 802.11ac Wave 2 technology. Kind of looks like a Lego top on here. All of the LEDs are right here once it's on. And then on the back, you have your 4 LAN ports that are gigabit. Then you have your WAN port that's also gigabit, and then your power port. And this right here is the USB port, and it's USB 2.0. And if you need to push the reset or set up WPS Wi-Fi technology, that's the button right there. So it's a pretty easy router to set up, as you saw in the quick setup guide, and you can adjust these any which way you want. You can have one forward, one here, one to the side. You can really place them anywhere. Has beamforming technology, so that's good. There's a few more details to the router. We'll get to those right here on the back pretty quickly. And then again, you can pause this and read it anytime. This can handle up to about 1,300 square feet according to Rockspace. And then if you need more, they have a mesh wireless system that you can get from them. But this is the Rockspace AC2100 with 802.11ac Wave 2 technology and beamforming technology with 2.4 and 5 gigahertz wireless. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.